Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday, the day before Labor Day. I just pulled back in my driveway from the gym and I just wanted to do a really quick video wishing everyone a happy Labor Day. Relax, clear your head, enjoy your family. This is the last holiday of the summer before we go into our fall season. And I just wanted to share something with you guys. And it touched me because it let me know I'm going down the right path. In a previous video, I spoke about the results. Everyone just want results and don't want to go through the process. I want to talk about someone that's part of my Arise team. And when she first started, she you guys, she took 3 classes. The third one was the charm. She made some money. And I knew what she was doing. I was sitting back just watching. She signed up for a class. And I told her when I first talked to her and I became her IBO, I said, read over the company, the client, make sure it's a good fit for you. Don't jump into nothing too fast because you have to pay for the class. Well, I really just need to make some money. I really, really need some money. And I said, okay. So she just chose the first company that came along. And then she said, well, it's sales. But I told you to read over the client's requirements and what's going to be required of you before you make a final decision. Let me see if I can move this down on here. That's better. And I'm in my daughter's car. She put a cozy on her steering wheel. And my arms are a little shaky because I've been lifting weights. And so I told her, I said, well, make sure it's a good fit. Because I'm not a salesman. I don't like to sell stuff, especially not over the phone, like upselling and things like that. So that class didn't work out. She completed the class, but she never did service. And so I wasn't saying anything. I'm just sitting back. And I can see everything that my CSPs do. Every time they register for a class, every time, they complete a class and certify, all of that information, I can see it. So she chose another company. And they wanted her to cross-sell as well. And she completed the class, but she never serviced. And I said, okay, I'm just still sitting back. I didn't step in. And so she took another class and she called. She finally reached out to me and she called me and she said, this is my last class I'm going to take. If it don't work, I'm just done. And I said, okay. Now you're ready. Now you're ready. I only want to deal with people that have already tried. And not so much fail, but tried and it didn't work out. Because that let me know you're hungry enough to get back up and continue the journey. Some people try one program, it don't work out, and they throw in the towel, and it's a scam. That's the first word people use. Pyramid scheme, scam. This is not real, and all of this. So what I did was, the third time was a charm. I dug in with her, and when I first talked to her on the phone, she said, I can't do this. So I hung up. I just hung up the phone. She called back. Well, we must have lost connection because the phone got disconnected. I don't speak with people that say they can't do anything. I can't. That's not the right type of energy. I cannot teach you or prepare you for what's next when you're speaking that you cannot do it. Well, I can't do that. That's not real. That's not this. That's the naysayers, the negative energy. If you go into a business already expecting to fail, you're going to fail. It's simple. This stuff is simple. It's not rocket science. You have to go in expecting to win. You have to go all in. Go in with your all. Don't half-ass. Remember I said that? Don't half-ass. And so I just, first I had to help her change her mindset. Let's sit the training, the client, all of that aside. Let's set your business opportunity, all of this other stuff aside, and let's get in the mind, the way of your thinking. Because if you don't get that right, you're never going to win, not at what you're trying to do. And you're probably not even winning in other areas because of the negative thoughts that flow through your mind. Let's move to today. Look what she sent me. And it was some money in here too. Mind you, she already gave me a 10% IBO fee. But when I opened the card, it was an additional $50. The law of sowing and reaping, you guys. When you sow good into this earth, you have no other option but to reap a good harvest. You shall know them by their fruit. If a person is producing good fruit, then they're sowing good seed. I sowed into her life, and she is now making about $2,500 to $3,000 a month. 4 months ago, she was making $0 from home. Now she is making $25,000 to $3,000 per month. For one, she became teachable. She put all those negative thoughts out her head. She started believing in herself. She opened herself up for training and teaching. She's continuing her education. She go to trainings. She want to learn. I told her, learn as much about your client as possible. Stay in the knowledge base. Even when you're not at work, go in the knowledge base. Go to the trainings, read, take notes. Make your office into a workspace. Make it professional. Now, you guys, I do these videos and they're very unprofessional. They're lax. But my workspace is very professional and organized. I have calendars. I have journals. I have things that keep me organized to keep my business flowing. And I also always feed my mind and my energy. I try to stay in a positive vibration at all times. Do I always stay in a positive vibration? Not all the time. But I try to. When I see myself drifting off into negative energy, I always try to listen to something to bring me back. And the card is handwritten. She said, with appreciation for the special blessing you've been. Thank you for your tireless efforts and all your hard work that helped me through my mocks. Thanks for believing in me. May the Lord bless you and keep you. She said, thank you for believing in me. I always believed in her. I just wanted her to believe in her. Remember, I said that in the other video. I believe in myself. The money is going to come. I'm not worried about money. I haven't had to worry about money in a long time. Trust me, you guys, I have not. And it's a great thing. Sow good seed. Always offer value into people's lives. You're never going to be financially successful if you don't learn how to offer value to people. Pick up some books, get some training, and under this video, subscribe to my newsletter. I'm going to try to find a permanent home somewhere, like a blog, where I'm, posting every day, and just, I don't have a online space for people that are interested in who I am and what I have to offer the marketplace. So I'm working on that now, but You can subscribe to my newsletter under the video, and I'm also going to give some suggestions of books and materials that I have in my personal library. Either I have the physical book, or I have it downloaded as an audio book, or I have it downloaded as an ebook on my phone. Currently, I have 2 books open on my phone right now that I'm going back and forth reading. Born Rich is one of them, because we're all born rich. It's enough provisions out here for everyone. No one has to struggle. But this this beautiful thing we carry on top of our heads, we have to program it differently. We have to deprogram what we have been taught and reprogram it with the right thoughts. Remember, the money will come. The money is the byproduct of the things that you do, how you think, and the seeds you sow into the earth. Until next time, you guys, stay blessed and fearless. And don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter. Till next time, bye.